Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel.
I'm Shruti.
And I'm Dre. And together we are Beauty and the Bear.
So today we're watching Chainsaw Man.
So today we're jumping into the Chainsaw Man Season 1 finale, Katana versus Chainsaw. Let's get right into it.
Let's do it.
Oh shit. That's right. Aiden.
骨が腐るから吸わない。
長い付き合いになりそうだから吸ってほしい。
Ah. It's so much different now.
一本だけ吸ってやる。
やったー。
未成年に吸わせるなんて最低な先輩だな。
未成年なの？
You didn't know.
Oh shit.
じゃダメに決まってんじゃん。
Hilarious.
よこせ。
So he didn't smoke the first time.
君が大人になって何かに寄りかかりたくなったら。
Oh, he's crying. No. She hesitated. Is it a sick trick or what? He's fearless right now.
Oh my god.
姫野先輩、もうすぐ俺も行きます。
What you gonna do
Uses
now?
Fear to see, bruh. Fearless man is invisible.
Bars. Ugh.
Whew!
Oh my goodness.
Starting off the finale with some heat.
Heat, boy. Shook.
殺すな。
Oh! She snuck up on you, bruh.
Too quick, too quiet.
All the time.
すぐボーナスが出るので。
Family to take care of.
Oh, look at the hand she's holding on to.
Oh, that's holding on to her.
No,
Oh no.
she's holding on to.
俺たちの仕事はサムライソードを捕まえることだ。捕まえても食うんじゃねえぞ。
Bro, get serious.
Zombies.
The zombies.
こいつら気づいてね。
わしの名は
This bitch.
パー。後ろは任せるぞ。
I entrust my back to you.
Oh,
You look like Jim in the office there.
yeah, he did.
見てる。そして言い伝える。
Can't see none
And
of
then speaking of this.
最強だ。
Wow. Look at Jim.
it. Going up, 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 up.
Oh, he's ready to pull that string.
お前の態度次第じゃ俺たちは投降するつもりだ。お前はこいつらの仲間と俺のじいちゃんを殺した。その償いをしてほしい。
てめえのお仲間もじいちゃんもゾンビなってたから殺したんだぜ。
そいつらを殺してお前は心が痛まないのか。
全然。
心臓が刀の悪魔になっちまってるみてえだが。そんな俺でもな。
So he's just like Denji.
Yep.
しまった夜には眠れなくなるぜ。俺たちにおとなしく殺されねえ。
What? Nah.
やだ。
じゃあ切り殺してやるよ。
Oh, wow. It slides off like that.
Here we go, here we go.
俺を切り殺すんじゃねえのかよ。
all that training and you're still behind?
Where's power? And then did the side mission.
Bruh, you did not bounce.
Onto
Wow.
a train, bruh? That's crazy.
前よりは動けるみたいだが
You're looking sharper than before.
戦ってる
Training.
公安様はそんな大層な暮らししてんの
だからさっさとてめえ倒してマキマさんに褒めてもらうんだ
He's only doing it for one thing and one thing.
お前は俺には勝てねえ雑魚だ
One of them is gonna have to duck when they go in a tunnel. Classic train fight.
Oh
No, leave the
my
boy alone.
god. God.
I'm ready. I'm gonna
Bruh.
Oh no! What are you doing there still? Fuck, man. That pose was sick, too.
禁止にしようぜそれ
Can we ban that move? Something crazy. Oh my
both
god.
arms.
終わりだ
Can he like just drink his
もう
blood?
戦えないだろ
Fuck, bro.
頭んチェーンソーが残ってるからね
He is nuts.
What else did he cut off?
じいちゃんに教わらなかったか引き時ってやつをよ
アンガとなバー
Oh! He got you!
Oh, with the legs.
We didn't know that. We never seen that. Sky sliced him in two.
Won that fight with a split decision.
Here he is, tied up. In his drawers.
やっぱあんた俺と同じなんだなてめえの手の刀抜いたらさ真っ二つの体もくっついたぜ
That's crazy.
俺はいろいろ納得できないんだよね
So you want some answers or you want to fight
て
again?
めえは姫の先輩を殺した
Oh, fuck.
面のいい美人がてめえのせいで世界から一人減ったんだ
お前には何もできねえだろう公安の犬風罪がよ
今から大会を開く大会
Aki!
こちら4
Jeez.
か早川時計館前線路内にて拘束済みの目標を発見応援求む
Look at this.
こいつは姫の先輩を弾で撃っただ
Yes.
からこいつも弾を撃たれるべきだろ
Interesting.
お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって
あ
警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつの勝ち
Wow.
お前
I don't know if he'll stoop to that. Are you gonna give him the cigarette this smoke?
勝ったら何くれんだ
Oh!
それはもちろんこいつの玉金や
Wow. Oh no.
Good
The
luck to you,
crows.
bro. They ain't reporting back to nobody.
Isn't it Miss Makima who has the crows?
True.
Oh, Benny.
Benny in power. Still hungry? Hey, Angel!
Yo, that's us. That's us. She's sick though.
Oh, he's screaming.
姫の先輩天国まで聞こえるか
Aww.
俺たちからあんたへの
That's hilarious.
今回のテロ事件は沢渡茜という彼女が銃の悪魔と契約し銃をヤクザに流しましたそれが聞き出す前に
She killed herself? Wasn't that the snake?
自殺
自動的に自殺したの今回の事件でビル内から銃の悪魔の肉片を 1.4 キロ
Whoa.
That's a lot.
ついに肉片が本体に向かって動きました
Oh shit.
ついに
We're just gonna
ど
follow
こ
it.
に向かって動いた
Wow, what a setup for season 2, bruh.
These guys are back together. So cool. Oh man. They're praying. They went to temple. Oh, he's smoking cigarettes.
Man.
Grocery shopping together with these two.
That's
oh my
right. They all live
gosh.
together. That's right.
What's their freaking grocery bill gonna look like? Power is a beast.
But also, she doesn't have to eat. She doesn't have to eat. She can eat things other than what's bought in the store. You know, so
Right.
she helps cut down on the bill when they do side missions.
I'm glad they have each other though.
That's right.
That's dope. And we know that Aki can cook.
You can throw down in the kitchen. You might be able to beat Bobby Flay. Beat the Bobby Flay devil. Oh man, what a great story this was, man. There's so much, like, so many layers of, like, the great stories of love, the great stories of friendship, the friendship that they've come to build, even though they were at such odds and ends earlier. You passing the worst way. Is he gonna smoke the sweet revenge one?
Please just be a cigarette. Guys really caught the iris, huh?
That's how the show started.
It's true.
Wow, full circle.
いつも見る夢だ。
Young Denji.
いつも見て。いつも忘れる夢。ポチだ。出てこいよ。夢の中くらい撫でさせてくれ。
絶対に開けちゃダメだ。
Having me think that
デンジ君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
No idea.
Himeno's sister?
Between the country mouse and the city mouse, who would you rather be? I'm just gonna back that up real quick.
We didn't see those shoes before.
デンジ君はさ、
The hair looks short. Oh, it's in a bun.
Ponytail. Wow. Man, the story came full circle. What a great first season, man. Holy shit. Each episode was so impactful. All the characters were so interesting. They had such depth of character. And all the characters' depth was revealed in layers. So the first episode, you came to find out about Aki and how strict he is. And then, like, by the 12th episode in the post-credit scene, you see him smiling over at them while they're picking up groceries. You know what I'm saying? Like, everybody was like, Kobeni, you find out that she looks like one of the dope devil hunters with the Pulp Fiction suit. You know what I'm saying? So you show up and then you see that she's full of anxiety. And then she comes to go one-on-one against Sawatari and the Katana man, and you see she's full of athleticism. And she's a deadly shot, and, like, you know what I'm saying? So, like, I love the way you found out more and more and more about each character as they went on. And then that just came to form great love stories, great emotional stories, great friendships, great relationships, and great back and forth. You know what I'm saying? Like, just, like, man, so many great moments from that season. Like, I mean, one of the most like, in a show called Chainsaw Man, one of the most shocking things we saw was when Himeno vomited into this guy's mouth. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, and then one of the most beautiful things we saw was when Power set up Denji to be killed by the Bat Devil. And then when she and Miyagi were swallowed by the Bat Devil, that he did not hesitate to go in after them and destroy him. You know what I'm saying? So like they had like that painting had almost a stroke of every color on it. You know what I'm saying? Like they had such a great first season, man. And everything added to it. Like Miss Makima's mysteriousness added to the level of her power. You know what I'm saying? Aki's sternness, like you finally saw like he's stern, and like even though he was like enforcing the rules about Denji not wanting to be with Miss Makima, even though he kind of wanted to be with Miss Makima. Like you saw that his sternness kind of turned at the end, you know, because the thing is, we were like, okay, there's no way Aki's gonna kick this guy in the balls. And then finally at the end, he turned a little bit, just the same way that we saw when we saw him shopping, that he smirked when he saw them, instead of being like, oh, you guys, you know, you just ruined my place, wet up the floor, you don't flush the toilet, things like that, you know.
He's grateful now.
Denji's living the best life he can, you know what I'm saying? Like
eating good,
accomplishing his missions.
He just needs a place to sleep, a shower, and some food.
Yeah.
And this
guy, like, I mean, like, hey, and how far he leveled up in his fighting, you know what I'm saying? Like, with their training, and that was insane. But what was crazy about the Katana man is that he was also like him, that the man said as soon as he took the katana out of his hands, his body started sliding back together, babe. So, like, I mean, the same thing with Chainsaw, right? I mean, we just saw him with two arms off, and now he's fully, you know what I'm saying? He's been fully unified again.
That kick was insane.
Oh, bruh, what kind of chainsaw leg? And that was a dope level up that they left for the end of the season. Yeah. So we're gonna get to see it maybe fully implemented in the next season or the next movie. I don't know. I think it's a movie that's coming out next,
Not sure. I think a movie, yeah.
So, man, and all the characters, man, it was a great story. It was a really great story. It sucks that we had to lose Himeno. I mean, we didn't. That's the thing. Like there was such a great wealth of characters that, like, Himeno, who we met 4 or 5 episodes into a 12 episode season, we lost her in like a 4 episode span. You know what I'm saying? Right. Literally, because last episode there were 5. So, like, okay, let's say episode 10 she was gone, you know, but introduced in episode 4. But the thing is, it didn't. The impact of her passing on the series, on the characters, and even on the viewers. Character. Come on, come on.
Sure. For sure.
She was literally him. You know what I'm saying? Exactly. She was him. Like that, like she was one of the ones, and
she brought life to the group. For sure.
And now fucking, you know what I'm saying? And an insightful eye, you know?
Oh yeah. That too.
So great. What a great first series of Chainsaw Man. We can't wait to get on to the next one. So thank y'all for joining us for the season 1 finale of Chainsaw Man.
Be sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like the video.
Let us know what you thought about this episode and the season down in the comments, and be sure to go check out the full season 1 over at our Patreon, or stop by just to support our channel.
I'm Shruti.
And I'm Drake for Beauty and the Beard. We're signing off until the next one. Peace.